It looks like today I'm finally saying goodbye to the Papamoa Plaza. That is the mall that I've been in the last like 2 days, using the Wi-Fi and just kind of relaxing because I didn't really know where to go, and that's where I edited and everything. Today I was going to do that, but so yeah, this is where I am. But it's raining. It's starting to rain harder. I'll probably check this place out tomorrow morning. But I have some journaling to do. And I kind of just want to relax. It's, I think like 7 p.m. 8 p.m. I think it's like 8 p.m. Getting close to 9. So yeah, I just kind of want to get in sleep mode, clean everything up, have a little snack, be in bed by 10, wake up at like 8, go out here, check it out, go skydiving, baby, let's go! So a few issues have arisen. This door, as you can see, is broken and is only being held in by this and my bedding. So I need to figure out a way to get a new pin like this door has. See that little pin? And then I've recently discovered, if I open the back, the bladder bag is empty because it was leaking, and it dripped down below, which is why the other day when I was driving, there was so much water dripping out of the back, even though I didn't drive through a puddle or anything. And thank God there's like that little back compartment, because all the water fell down below where I sleep and dripped out the bottom. So yeah, I need to watch out when I refill that, because I refilled it and I guess I didn't have the cap on correctly. Oh, so I need to fix that. Drive to Taupo, or drive to Opotiki. Oh shit, someone's calling me. And to be continued. Today is a new year, everyone! It is my 31st day here. And to celebrate, I am skydiving at Taupo Skydivers. Hopefully. It's really windy, so I'm probably not going to jump until the wind dies down. But I'm here. I just need to check in, sign in. So I should probably go in. I was making calls to my parents. So I just went to fly the drone, and when I open up the app, it immediately crashes and says there's a bug with it, which means it needs to be updated, which I can't do without service. So I guess now drone flying. I do need to go to the bathroom. So I'm gonna go to the bathroom and then probably head to town and get ready to go to the bank. Get that set up, message Kathy, and then see where the farm goes. Also, today is my 32nd day here, baby. Gonna get a woo woo. Greasy's just nasty. I'm just walking along the beach. I got nothing else to do. I'm hanging out. Tomorrow, I don't know what's happening. I need to go to the Kiwi Bank though and finalize my bank with the phone number, the account, get the routing numbers and everything. Fill out the paper. I guess I'm just gonna take the job. The only way I don't take the job is they have a place for me to stay, and if the place for me to stay has animals like cats, dogs, I can't stay there, so I can't obviously work there. And then from that point, I'm going to just do the plan that I was going to do with my brother, and then I'll just make a new plan for the South Island and have him come to the South Island instead of the North. Gotta think ahead of the game, boy. I'm into Opotiki. The farm lady Kathy hasn't responded to me, so I went shopping, and I'm trying to get to the public library before it closes. Pretty sure I'm parked in a spot I'm allowed to be parked in. I didn't really see I'm under a toll to pay. Anyway, yeah, I'm walking to the library. See if I can find it. And we'll see. Because I just want to get Wi-Fi and go to the bathroom. And yeah. I found the library and it's super closed, so if you look this way, you can see it. This is it. Just a reminder, not every day can be one full of adventure. I'm waiting to meet Kathy, the farm lady, in front of the college. I've just been waiting all day. I got one jump in, one skydive jump, now I'm waiting. Waiting real good, getting real bored. It's hot as hell here. Can't always be an adventure, folks. That's reality. God, I'm grody. Alright, time to continue waiting. Hello, my people of YouTube. Big update. I did not take the farm job. I was kind of lied to about a few things. And besides being lied to, let's get up and walk. Besides being lied to, their facilities have cats and dogs in them, so I can't stay at their facilities. They said I can't camp on their facilities with the van, so I can't live out of the van either. So there's no point in working there because I have nowhere to live. I have to freedom camp, and there's only 4 freedom camping spots, and each spot I can only stay for 3 nights out of the entire month. So that's 12 nights, and then I'm screwed. So yeah, right now I'm going back to the mall that I was previously at, going to work on more videos, and then I'm going to make my way up to Skydive Auckland again. And once I'm at Skydive Auckland, so I'm taking a different route. I'm going up the peninsula, going to see the cathedral and hopefully other pretty things. And then after Skydive Auckland, I'm going to book tickets to see Hobbiton and some other places, and then maybe go on a hike or two, and then start making my way down to Wellington from Skydive Auckland. And that is my current plan. And then I'll be in South Island when my brother gets here. So I'll pick him up down in Queenstown, and I'm not actually sure anymore how long I'm going to be here for, but in a way it kind of feels nice because I felt a little trapped having set plans, and it's like, what if I don't like it? What if I want to do something else? But now I don't really have plans. And I leave when I leave. Basically, someone's like, dude, if you're not having fun, then why stay? Why work there? Why do this if you're not having fun? So as soon as I see everything and I kind of stop having fun, that's when I'm gonna set my goal to kind of leave, go to Fiji, maybe some other countries, and then start working my way back home. And I kind of like that a lot. So let's get the hell out of this park, get to the mall, work on some videos, and then tomorrow make my way back up. I'm also gonna try getting my van serviced tomorrow. We'll see how that goes.